All right, ladies, this is numbering our measures and highlighting for hot chocolate. At the beginning, we do have 4 measures that are kind of clumped all together, so we can kind of leave those alone, and we'll just start with 5. 5 is already labeled for us. We look for each vertical line, and remember this little curvy bracket right here tells us that that is the piano part. So we do 5, 6, 7. Then we come down here. We're still labeling the piano part. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we got a lot more added on. Right where it says number 13, we have a big bracket here, big bold bracket that's telling us our vocal parts. Now this says we've got part 1 and 2. We're actually just going to sing this song in unison, so all you need to focus on is this top line here. Okay? So we have 13, then we do 14. Remember, you're looking for those vertical lines to separate out the measures. 16. To highlight, we just take our highlighter. Oop, that was not completely straight. We just take our highlighter, ignore the messiness that is, and we highlight our words. Now, if I'm going too fast for you, you just pause the video wherever you need to. I suggest before highlighting that you number all the measures first. Okay, and you can circle your page numbers at the top as well. That says page 3, by the way. All right, we left off on measure 17, or 16, 17. Oops, 18, 19, 20. See, this is why it's always good to write in pencil in case you mess up. There are little helper measure thingies to help you out on labeling. So there's measure 21, 22, 23, 24. And whenever you see that top vocal line, that's going to be the one that you highlight. The top one. Okay. There are a couple of spots in here where we might split into just 2 groups, like an echo group. Like when it goes right here, this is page 6, and it says, here we only got one rule. It says separate group of part 1 and 2, or separate group of part 1 and 2. So we do like part 1 says, here we only got one rule. And then the second part says, here we only got one rule. And they echo it. Never ever let it cool. Part 2. Never ever let it cool. So we're kind of going a little back and forth. But what I want you to focus on today is just numbering those measures and highlighting the vocal part. Remember, you're looking for this big, bold bracket here each time to help you with labeling your measures. I have to make this video short just because a long video won't upload to Schoology. So go back and review this video if you need to. Ask a friend for help if you need to. There we go. There's hot chocolate.